Most repair shops don't have an AI problem, they have a process problem. If your team is using AI without clear rules, you're gambling with customer trust. Today, I'm giving you a privacy-first AI playbook built specifically for shop owners who want efficiency without security headaches. Open by reframing AI adoption as an operations decision, not just a tech trend. Transition into the playbook structure. Policy, people, and process. First, policy. Define what data is never entered into AI. Customer PII, payment info, VIN-linked records, internal margins, passwords. Second, people. Assign who can use AI, for what tasks, and when manager approval is required. Third, process. Use templates, sanitize inputs, and verify every output before it goes live or reaches customers. Then show common mistakes, pasting full estimates, uploading invoices, trusting AI answers blindly, and with a simple weekly audit routine to keep usage safe and consistent.